guys, this is Varun, this is my sister Ratika, and today we are going to see something which is called occupied washroom problem, as you call it, and we have designed a model for it. Basically, that is a problem at my workplace, and I feel it is a quite generic problem where people have to wait for a washroom which is occupied, just so that it can be vacant and then they can use it. So this is a model of an office where there are small little cubicles. People are sitting over here, and these are the two washrooms. And this in focus right now is a circuit which we have designed as a solution for this problem. And more on it by my sister Radhika.
This is a simple relay driven circuit. We can see as this model consists of two washrooms, we have connected two relays in this circuit, and of course the power source is connected with this circuit. About this relay, we have used this 5-pin relay, and so these two pins consist of a coil, and when we this is the common point, and this is the normally closed pin, and this one is the normally open. So when we connect a power source to it, this common point changes its state from the normally closed to normally open point. So we can see we have connected an output LED to it, so it is glowing. You can see.
Right.
In a similar fashion, we have designed this circuit. One of the coil point is directly connected with this power source, and another is kept open on this edge of the door. You can see two open wires, and on the another end of this door we have connected a conductor. So when the door closes, this circuit will get completed. The power source will get connected to the coil, and the coil will get energized, and we have connected an output LED for the indication purpose. So when the coil will get energized, this LED will glow. So let's say it's working. Okay. We have closing the door, and yes, the LED is getting, it is glowing.
Right. So as we see, this is a simple solution that we have designed for the occupied washroom problem. It might not be the only solution. There might be other solutions, but this is what we have designed using a simple electronic circuit. Hope you like it, and if you want, you can obviously contact us for more on this circuit if you want to kind of implement it in your office. Thanks for watching.